Chop time of day back at you. The video I didn't really plan on doing, but the opportunity arose, so we took on a job and let's get into it a little bit. So y'all know Kenny Kizzle's out there working on his John Deere D 1927, and he needed a part for his governor. So he asked me if I could help him out, and I said, of course I can. So let's get on the lathe and get to it. Got some 4140 in here, ready to go. See what we can do. Face off the front. Start turning her down. Alright, I went back home, grabbed the next tool, and here we go. Finish the outside. We'll go back and grab the cutoff tool. Alrighty, I didn't have it cut all the way off so that it doesn't fall down in the chip pan, and we can go ahead and measure it while it's still there. Try to do this one-handed. Let's see what we got. $500. We're within tenths and taper on that. I don't think we're going to get any better at this point in time. Well, let's pop it off of there. Alrighty. Alright, last step on the lathe here. Can we see okay? Yeah, maybe not. And contact. See how we did. So now we got that turned out on the lathe, we need to put a cross hole in there. So I put a 1/4-inch drill in here, touched off on the edge of the part. So now we need to move over half the width of a 1/4 inch, which is 1/8 of an inch. We'll come over and check our numbers. This is 100. 10, 20, and 5. Now we need to go another 1/4 inch. Hold on a second, let me pause you. Okay, I needed 2 hands to be able to adjust that. So now we got to go another 1/4 inch. So 100, 200, and 50. And you can see that put our drill right where we need to be. 1/8 in from the end. Now I need to switch out. Put this center drill in here so we can get it started. Let's give it a try. Spinning pretty slow, but we'll see how it does. Start to make a chip. Alright, that's going too slow. We're going to have to speed it up. Let's give it a try now. There we go. Now let me get it changed over to the 1/4. We'll finish it on through. Here we go. Let's punch a hole in it. There we go. We got a hole through it. Let's do a quick deburr and then finish out the video. We're just going to hit that hole a little bit with the wheel. Just take off any sharp edge. There we have it. Alrighty everybody, that finishes up on this little job. Now, using a CNC lathe probably wasn't the most efficient thing on this job. I could have probably run this out on a manual lathe faster than what I wrote the code, but I thought maybe I'd get a better finish on that lathe over there, so I went ahead and jumped in and did it that way. And then finished her up with the cross hole on the manual mill. And we got us a finished part. So I hope you all liked that video. It's getting awful cold out here. I need to go sit in the house and get this video uploaded for y'all. So thanks for watching, and come back for more Shop Time with Dave.